Hi, I'm Yasaretad, and this is why you should not use Google search in your everyday searches. So I think we're all familiar with what Google search does. You click in the box, type in a word, click enter, and you will find useful information and websites about this. What Google does in the background is it also serves you ads to make money, and it tracks all your data so they can serve you better ads and make even more money. That money is used for Google, and you don't see any benefit for using Google except that they give you good search results. So, what I want to do in this video is show two alternatives that will also provide good search results for everyday searches, but they have additional benefits. And the first one I want to show you is called Ecosia. Ecosia is a search engine that is a non-profit organization, and they use the advertisement revenue to plant trees. Yes, it really is that simple. I want to show you how it works. So let's look for something that, you might look for in your everyday life. Now, I, on this channel, usually review books. So a book I read was The Art of Living, and I want to find the Goodreads page for it. So I'll enter that, and it is up here. First result. Now, if you want to support Ecosia, please turn off any ad blocker you have, and you will see some ad results usually. I don't even think there is one right here now, but this way you can literally help plant trees. Ecosia is non-profit. The shareholders are all employees of the company, and they have public financial reports where they show that they actually invest a ton of money into the tree planting projects. I think something close to 50% of their income. So literally, without doing anything, you can help plant trees. And I don't think it matters what you think about climate change or anything like that. I think everybody likes a good forest. And there's a lot of desertification and deforestation, bushfires. So I think this is just a great cause. And for everyday searches, this website is great. I'll show you something else. So, for example, I am based in Munich. So let's look for something Munich Alte Utting. This is, so we see an ad here, which is, used to plant trees. That's awesome. I don't really mind that. And then the second result is already what I want, which is it's kind of, it's an old ship, basically, they put on a bridge and they transformed it to a bar, which is a really cool spot that you should check out if you ever come to Munich. Right, so Ecosia is a really cool search engine. It works really well. There is one, minor issue, and that is that the ads are served through Bing. So they're partnered with Microsoft, but in my opinion, if you use Google search, all your data is going to Google anyway, so it's not getting any worse, it's actually getting better if you're using Ecosia. The second one is called DuckDuckGo, and this is a privacy-focused search engine. It is also very simple. Let's repeat our The Art of Living search. So here we go. It's the first result as well. I just really enjoy DuckDuckGo because it's very simple. It is privacy focused. If you do care about your privacy a lot, then this is the search engine you should go with. But I think these are two great alternatives. Ecosia has just an awesome goal. They're non-profit. They're very transparent with everything they do. They even have a YouTube channel where they show some before and after of their planting projects because they've been around since 2009. And if you have more complicated search topics that you can't find on Ecosia or on DuckDuckGo, you can easily switch back to Google and just search there, right? So I don't really think that anybody should be using Google as the default search engine, because there's one search engine that benefits everybody by planting trees with the ad revenue money, and there's another one that does basically the same that Google does, but respects your privacy. So unless you can't find what you're looking for with these search engines, which for me almost never happens, and I've been using DuckDuckGo for a long time now, almost 2 years, then you should always use something different. So go on Ecosia, set it as your default search engine, and start planting trees. Or go to DuckDuckGo, set it as your default search engine, and let it respect your privacy.